This is Mane to Ayola. Ayola with the long range shot. This is a chance, and that's the first goal. Rajasthan United, and that man Dilli Ram has scored from a shot that was deflected, and he has put it past Padam Chetri, sliding and punching that ball past Padam Chetri, I should say. Rather unfortunate, I must say, because that ball, I think, was a deflection of Neymar as Ayola, the captain, comes forward and takes a bombing shot, and Neymar with the header, and a first time shot from Dilli Ram. And we have the first goal of this year's I-League Qualifiers, and it is Rajasthan United, the team from Bhilwara, Rajasthan, who has taken the lead against Ryntih Sports Club, quite against the run of play, I must say. As the shot comes in, oh my word! Oh my word, that is absolutely sensational from Aman Thapa. What an effort that is from Aman Thapa. I dare say, and I compare this man, Aman Thapa, that was almost like we're seeing Philippe Coutinho, but you see that he's been threatening all afternoon, and on that occasion nothing could stop that, leaving no chance for Padam Chetri. Look at his cuts back onto his right, takes it on, no chance at all. Corner right to give it to Jing Stevenson with the ball in the free header! Finally, Ryntih Sports Club have scored, and they have to thank Vishal June, because that was an absolute howler that Vishal June probably should have and absolutely must have caught it. But that was another good ball again from Jing Stevenson. I'm waiting to see who actually scored this goal, because this was Chester Paul Lindo who made that run, but it was Neymar again with the header. It went through, and this was, it's difficult to say who actually scored, but the ball had crossed the line, and Tang was the one who actually dived in to make sure that the goal was scored. You can see, but that's an absolute howler from Vishal June, and you can see that with 12 minutes to go, they have their tails up and composed. But this is another chance, again a heavy touch from Jing Stevenson, and that is a penalty! Oh my word! Do we have a game on our hands or not? Because Gurmukh Singh has very clumsily given away a penalty on Jing Stevenson. Basically, he had no reason to tackle him there. Jing Stevenson was in no man's land after that heavy touch, and Gurmukh Singh lunges into him. What a soft penalty to give away, and a path back into this match. Jing Stevenson, can he finally get his name on the score sheet? He's the man who won this penalty. He's been shooting over the bar so far, but this time, can he get past Vishal June? Can he put it on goal? And he does! Jing Stevenson! He has finally got his name on the score sheet. Guess what? I spoke about a game of two halves, and it is still on with 9 minutes left to play. It is 3-2. I have said all afternoon long that Rajasthan United have been living on the edge